everyone, my name is Tzachi Kraus and welcome to my channel Tech Unboxing New and Vintage. In today's video, I will show you the classics PlayStation that Sony announced in 2017, and this model is a mini edition to the first generation PlayStation that Sony announced for the first time in 1994. This package is brand new and sealed. I bought it about 1 month ago at eBay for $19, which is the lowest price I found. As of today, you can buy the classics model through eBay or Amazon, and the prices there are between $150 to $250. Together with you, it will be the first time I unbox this package. So let's move ahead to see what is in the box. And now guys, let's summarize. There is only one good reason why I can recommend buying this edition. It's only because there is a good chance that in the distant future, let's say at least 10 years from now, it will be a collector's item, provided that is in a sealed condition. The graphics of the 20 classics game, which are installed here, are unpleasant to look at for a long period of time, especially for those who are used to playing with 4th and 5th generation PlayStation. If there are any specific issue you would like me to address, write a comment below, I always answer. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That way you will receive all my new updates. Thanks for watching and looking forward to seeing you in my next video.